Hey everyone, so first of all we're going to start with a cup of brown sugar, or cup and a half, and I use brown sugar because it gives a nice caramelized taste. And next we're going to put in a couple of cubes of unsalted butter, and then we're going to whisk together. Okay, so I'm just going to gather all this together. So it's looking quite good and caramelized. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, maybe a half because I like the taste. Okay, and then we are going to put in the 2 eggs. And then we're going to whisk it. So next I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder to the flour that I've already sieved, and we're just going to mix that together. And after we mix that together, we're going to put the dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients, and we're going to whisk it then together until it comes that crumbly mixture then, so that we can get ready to roll it out as the dough. So we're going to start whisking the mixture together. So after whisking for quite a while, you should have a nice dough. Keep going around and knead it for a little while, and then what you're going to do then is you're going to wrap it then in cling film for about half an hour, and then we're going to roll it out after that. Now once you have made the dough, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it in cling film, and like I said, we are going to put it in the fridge or leave it to set for about half an hour to an hour, just so it hardens up a little bit, and then we're going to roll it out then afterwards. So this is what it should look like when it comes out of the fridge after about half an hour. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on a little bit more flour, not too much, and we are going to roll it out like so. So this is what they look like when they're all cut out. And we are going to pop these into the oven. Make sure the oven was on at 250 right at the start, so it was nice and warm. And as it goes in, and leave them for about 10-15 minutes. You'll know when they're nice and hardened. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so next is for the icing sugar. We're going to whisk this up. So you just need 3 ingredients. You need egg whites, lemon, and sugar powder. So let's go. So to make the icing sugar, what we're going to do is I have 2 egg whites here in a bowl. I have the lemon. I'm going to put a small bit of that in, and a teaspoon of granulated sugar. So I'm going to whisk this now for about 5 minutes until I get a peak. Okay, so after about 5 minutes, and this is what it should look like. You should have a peak. And now we are going to begin to decorate our Christmas cookies. So you can decorate these whatever way you want.